Hi everyone, this is Sridhar. Now we are discussing about the mind map of artificial intelligence. First of all, we have to know the artificial intelligence. Like artificial intelligence refers to the creation of machines and computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks, including learning from experience, understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and make decisions. Like the human intelligence in mission that are programmed to think and learn like a human. The system can perform tasks such as understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, make decisions, and solving problems. AI encompasses various subfields, including machine learning, robotics, and natural language processing. And this is the mind map of artificial intelligence, how the AI can think, like observe, learn, gain a knowledge, and how they thought and how they do their actions. These are the process, step by step they do. uh, we can discuss about the subtopics of mind, observation, learning, knowledge, think, thought, action, and intelligence, everything deeply. Intelligence. Intelligence is the ability to acquire understanding and applying knowledge and skills. It involves the capability for logic, reasoning, problem solving, and abstract thinking. Intelligence can be seen in both human and machines, through it manifests differently in each. Applications of knowledge, using what you know in different situations. Uh, it refers the practical use of information, skills, or understanding that a person can acquire in various situations. It about talking what you have learned and effectively applied it to solve problems, make decisions, or perform tasks in real life context. For example, if you are learning about the principles of physics in a classroom, applying that knowledge could involve using those principles to build a bridge, design a mission, or even understand everyday phenomena like how a car accelerates. Essentially, it's the process of transforming theoretical knowledge into the practical actions and the solutions. And the next one is problem solving, finding solution to change or issues. It means, let us assume, first identify the problem and understand its root solution causes, then brainstorm possible solutions and evaluate them. Choose the best solution and put it into the action. Finally, check if the problem is resolved and make any necessary adjustments. It's a step by step process to tackle and overcome the difficulties. And next one is adaptability. Adaptability is nothing but adjusting to new situations or changes. It involves being flexible and open minded, allowing you to cope with unexpected circumstances, embrace new opportunities, and handle different challenges effectively. This ability helps you navigate life unpredictability with ease and resilience. And the next one is mind. Mind is the complex and fascinating entity that governs how we preserve things and interact with the world around us. It encompasses various cognitive processes such as perception, memory, attention, language, and problem solving. Consciously allows us to be aware of our extents, thoughts, and our surroundings, while memory stores and recalls information and experience. Emotions play a crucial role in decision making and social interactions, and perceptions helps us interpret sensory information. Thoughts involves process information, generating idea and make decisions, while imagination allows us to form mental images and explore hypothetical scenarios. Institute provides quick judgments based on past experience and actions, involves executing plan and behavior to achieve a goal. Together, these processes create a dynamic landscape that shapes our reality and experience. And the subtopic of computer vision enable AI to interpret and understand visual information from the world, much like how human eyes preserve visual stimuli. For example, computer vision in life-driving cars enables the AI to recognize and respond to objects like pedestrians, traffic lights, and road signs, ensuring safe navigations on the road. And then another one is NLP. NLP is nothing but the natural language processing, allows AI to understand the generate human language similar to how we interpret spoken and written words. For example, NLP is used in virtual assist like Siri or Google Assistant to understand voice commands, respond to questions, and perform tasks such as setting reminder or playing music. And the next one is observation. Observation is the process of carefully watching, listening, or noticing something in order to gain information. It is a critical step in scientifically inquiry and everyday decision making. Effective observation required attention to detail and the ability to detect patterns or anomalies. And the subtopic of the sensory input, using our sense to gather information from the environment. Like, for example, when you touch a hot stove, you sense of touch sends a signal to your brain that it hot, promoting you to pull your hand away to avoid getting burned. This process helps you interact with a response to the world around us. And the next one is gathering data. Gathering data is nothing but the collecting the information we sense and recording it. For example, a weather station gathers data by the measuring temperature, humidity, and wind speed, then records this information to predict weather patterns and inform forecasts. This process helps us understand and respond to environmental conditions. And the next one is conceptual understanding. The conceptual understanding, the information within the context or situation it is based. For example, an AI virtual assistant can understand that when you say I am hungry, while you are near a restaurant, it suggests a nearby place to eat. This ability helps AI provide relevant and accurate response based on the context in which the information is received. And the next one is learning. Learning is the process of acquiring new knowledge, skills, attitudes, or a behavior through experience, study, or instructions. It involves the ability to remember information, understanding concepts, and applying what has been learned to new situations. Learning can be both conscious and subconscious. The subtopic of learning, first one is the analysis. Examining the information in details to understand it better. It means, for example, when a doctor analyzes a patient's symptoms, they carefully review the details, the diagnose, the illness accurately. This process helps in making informed decisions and providing effective treatments. And the next one is pattern recognition. Pattern recognition is identifying regularities or trends in the information. For example, a meteorologist uses pattern recognition to analyze weather data and predict future weather conditions based on recurring patterns, like recognizing that certain cloud information often preserve rains. This ability helps in making accurate forecasts. And the next one is insight development. Insight development is gaining a deeper understanding or new ideas from analyzing information. For example, a business analyst reviews sales data and discovers the customer's trend to buy more products during certain times of the year. These insights helps the company plan promotions and stock inventory more effectively, improve our overall skills. And the next one is knowledge. Knowledge is the collection of facts, information, and skills acquired through experience or education. It is the theoretical or practical understanding of a subject. Knowledge can be explicit or tacit. Here, the subtopic of fact retention means remembering important information. And another one is skill acquisition, means how learn to do something new. And next one is conceptual understanding, means grasping the main ideas or principle behind the information. That is about the knowledge. And next one is thinking. Thinking refers to the mental activities and processes involving in this creation of ideas, concepts, and beliefs. It encompasses everything that happens in the mind, including reasoning, reflecting, and imaginations. Thoughts can be conscious or unconscious, deliberate or spontaneously. And the subtopic of the subtopic of critical thinking is evaluating information carefully to make reasoned judgments. Means for example, we when deciding a new job offer, you critically think about considering the company reputations, the roles, responsibilities, salaries, and career growth opportunities. This process helps you make a well informed and rational decisions. And that the next one is logical reasoning. The logical reasoning means using clear and rational thinking to solve problems or make decisions. For example, when planning a budget, you logically consider your income, expenses, and saving goals to make decisions and how much to allocate for different categories like rent, food, and entertainment. This helps you manage your finance effectively and avoid overspending. These are the explanation of the logical reasoning. And next one is creativity. Means creativity means AI can create uniquely everything that is in the world, like coming up with the new and original ideas. Thinking is the mental process of considering, reasoning, and reflecting on ideas and information. It involves the uses of cognitive processes such as perception, memory, and judgment to form concepts, solving problem, and make decisions. Thinking can be critical, creative, logical, or abstraction. These are the meanings of the thinking. And next one is action. Action is Action is the process of doing something in order to achieve a goal or bring about a change. It involves the execution of plan, decision, and behaviors. Actions can be physically or mentally effective. Its effective actions requires intentions, planning, and something coordinates with others. The subtopic of action is the decision making. It means choosing what to do based on the information options available. Like, for example, if you have to option to eat out or cook at home, you consider factors like your budget, time, and food preference. Before making a decision, this process helps you select the best course of action based on the given circumstance. That is the meaning of the decision making. And the next one is execution. Execution means carrying out the chosen action. Like if for example, if you decided to cook dinner at a home instead of eating out, the execution involves following the recipe, preparing the ingredients, and cooking the meal. This steps is about putting your plan into the action and make it happens. That is the meaning of the execution. And next one is outcome evaluation. Accessing the results of the action to learn and improve. For example, if you try a new recipe for the first time, you evaluate the outcome by tasting the dish and considering what went well and what could be improved. This process helps you refine your cooking skills and make better meals in the future. This is all about the artificial intelligence mind mapping. Like artificial intelligence is nothing but the how the human can think, how the human can do the works, and how the human can be think, observe, learn everything. It these few how the human have the futures same as to fix in the artificial intelligence also. There is no difference between the artificial intelligence and a human. There is small difference means human can they give a response very lately, but artificial intelligence can have a highly response, like immediately they give the answers everything. These are the difference between the artificial intelligence and human intelligence. And these are the topics of the artificial intelligence mind mapping. Thank you.